Trading doesn't have to be difficult, but it seems that traders today are making the simple difficult. All you have to do is to pick a strategy. As I always tell traders today, both new and struggling traders, pick a strategy and stick to it. Of course, there's some ground rules that every trader must have, no matter the strategy. But then traders today are looking for the best of the best strategy. And then I have to remind them that there's no such thing. If there's anybody out there that watches this video that has the best of the best strategy, that has 100 trades, 100 winners, 1,000 trades, 1,000 winners, let me know. You won't find, trust me. So once you have a strategy, roll with it. It's a numbers game at the end of the day, right? Price action, support, and resistance trading strategy is a simple one that I am using and I have been using for years. It's all based on following the trend. Now, when you talk about analysis, by the way, you need to check on the calendar. I always say, check the calendar every day. As a matter of fact, before you cross over to your chart, cross over to the calendar. Calendar is where you have all the news coming out every day from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is for the week, and you can see all the news that came out, high impact, and so on, and then interpret them. And this will help you to know when the market is going to be volatile. That's it. And then you can cross over to your technicals, right? And the truth now also is that some traders don't even pay attention to the fundamentals. But I always say it's always best to do what? To combine the two, especially when you are using lower time frames. Now I'm going to show you this chart based on price action, support, and resistance, just to show you that trading doesn't have to be difficult. In a trending market, this is clearly a trending market. I'm sure you'd agree with me. What direction is it trending? Before I even tell you the answer, you already know. It should be a no-brainer that the trend is what? The trend is up. The trend is up, meaning that from here, with all the zigzags that it did, because that's how price tends to move, moves in zigzag. All the zigzags, you can see it has pushed higher from this point here, X marks the spot, up to this point over here. It has been progressing higher. But when it progresses higher, it does that in a movement such as this, where you have like up, down, up, down, up, down. Once you can pick up all these levels here, especially this ones here for the highs, some traders also call them like the peaks and valleys. This is peak, valley, peak, valley, peak, valley. So in an uptrend, you are more interested in the peaks. And in a downtrend, you are more interested in the valleys. Simple. Now look at what we have here. Clean this up. We've already done the drawings. We've already done support and resistance levels here, if you look closely. And then you'll notice that price has been, obeying. Price has been acting according to plan, because that is what price does, right? It's not rocket science. Price moves up, price moves down. And then when it breaks out, like here was resistance, you can see a whole bunch of support over here. You have your resistance and support. But with this big candle here, it broke out to the upside. That means that this other side will now turn to what? Here before was resistance, here was support. Now it broke the resistance and pushed higher. This now becomes the support. And look at what happened. Price came and bounced a bit. It even failed here, quite all right. But then it pushed higher and broke out of this resistance. And then here is the support. And look at what happened. As it broke out here, came back nicely 2 times and bounced and pushed higher. So when you look at the market, now, by the way, that's why I said earlier that it is not every strategy that is going to work. Even this price action support resistance is not 100%, right? It's not bulletproof. But the truth now is that for a strategy to even work well enough, you need to understand the risk to reward ratio. That has to do with your risk management. Because once your risk management is in the right proportion, based on your stop loss and your take profit, you are good to go. So this price action support resistance, this would have been a lovely place to get trades. And if you watch this video on time, look at what we have over here. This is another area that acted as resistance and broke out. So another one that acted as resistance broke out. Now look at it here. It is now clearly at the area of support. We're expecting it to go up. By the time you watch this video, it might be today, who knows? It might be tomorrow, next week, and so on. But take note of it. This is on the 29th of September. By the time you check the video, maybe on the 30th or maybe October or November, we would wonder, did it actually get to this point here of resistance? If it did, then that means that you'd have cashed out nicely. Because that's what price is doing. Price is just following through on what it has in front of us. That's why they say, trade what you see and not what you feel, right? Now, with that said, I'm going to wrap up here. And we're going to be doing more and more videos to enlighten you the more with respect to this trading and to show you that trading doesn't have to be difficult. Some things you need to do. Number one, accept that there are going to be losses. Number two, when it comes to your price action support and resistance, it's always advisable to look at trades, right? To look at charts that are trending in an upward manner or in a downward manner. But then traders also can identify ranging market and then get a piece of it, because in every ranging market, there are bound to be breakouts, right? And that breakout could easily turn into a new uptrend or a new downtrend. But I would always advise, look for charts like this. And then once you identify the trend and you identify what you want to do based on that trend, all you have to do is to wait. This is one of the biggest things that traders are getting injured on. They don't know how to wait. They don't know how to exercise patience. So once you wait and price gets to that level, that is your cue to jump in, and then you are good to go. That's it, right? Good. So that's a quick one from me. I remain Tolu of CFA Forex. If the video was helpful, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, subscribe, share, do everything. Go crazy if you want, but please watch this video well enough and take something out of it. We'll be doing more videos to give you more information so that you can benefit from the market and, of course, become profitable at the end of the day, because that is what it is all about. Once again, how simple is trading? Interesting. Okay, thank you guys. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and cheers for now. Goodbye.